Sending crypto to the wrong address is irreversible. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kimlwallet's address book feature so you can save trusted addresses and send safely every time. No more risky copy-pasting. This is the home screen showing all your crypto assets. Tap the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner to open the navigation drawer. Tap Settings from the drawer. Give it a moment for the Settings page to load. Now scroll down past Account Settings, Security, and the General section. Keep scrolling until you reach the Wallet Settings section near the bottom. Tap Address Book. This is the address book, your personal contact list for crypto addresses. Right now it's empty. Every time you copy-paste an address manually, one wrong character means your funds are gone forever. The address book lets you save trusted addresses once, verify them once, and reuse them safely every time. Tap Add Address to get started. This is the Add Address form. Let's start by selecting the network. I've selected Ethereum as the network. Notice the blue tick confirming this address works across all EVM-compatible chains. That includes Polygon, BNB chain, and more. Now enter the wallet address. You can type it directly, copy-paste it, or tap the QR code button to scan the address from a phone, ideal for receiving addresses from friends in person. I've entered the address and named this contact John. Use naming conventions that tell you exactly who and what it is, for example, John Coinbase ETH or Dad BTC. The optional label adds more context if needed. Now let's look at the All Wallets option. Tap it. This drawer lets you choose which of your wallets can use this saved address. By default, the address is available to all wallets. Main wallet and backup main wallet are both checked. You can uncheck any wallets you don't want associated with this contact. Slide the drawer down to close it, then tap Save. Your new contact appears in the address book. You can see John with the EVM network tag and the wallet address. The copy icon lets you quickly copy the address to clipboard. To manage this entry, tap the three-dot menu on the right. Two options appear. Tap Edit to update the address details. The Edit Address page looks just like the Add Address form, pre-filled with the current details. You can update the network, correct the address, rename the contact, or add a label. Make your changes and tap Save. Your address book is updated instantly. And here's our updated contact. If you ever need to remove an address, just tap the three-dot menu and choose Delete. It's gone instantly. Now let's see how to use a saved address when you actually send crypto. Go back to the home screen. Let's say you want to send Ethereum to John. Tap Ethereum from your asset list. You're on the Ethereum detail page. Tap Send. The Send Funds page opens. Instead of manually typing or pasting an address, look to the right of the Send to field. Next to the QR code button, there's an address book icon. Tap it to open your saved contacts. Your address book opens showing all saved contacts. Before tapping an entry, take a moment to verify the first and last 6 digits of the address match what you expect. Then tap John's entry. The address autofills in the Send to field instantly. John's address is now filled in automatically, no copy-pasting, less risk of errors. For first-time transfers, consider making a small test transaction before sending the full amount. That's the power of the address book. Save once, send safely every time. Thanks for watching.